Objectives. The learners demonstrate understanding of how energy is transformed in simple mechanism. The learner should be able to create a marketing strategy for a new product on electrical or light efficiency. Demonstrate how sound, heat, light, and electricity can be transformed. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to A. Identify the different forms of energy. B. Demonstrate how sound, heat, light, and electricity can be transformed. C. Appreciate the importance of energy and energy transformation in our daily lives through conservation.
Good morning, class. I'm Teacher Rika, your teacher in Science 6. How are you today? Before we start our discussion for this day, may I request everyone to please stand up for our opening prayer to be led by Abby. Amen. Are there any absent from the class? Okay, very good. Class, kindly pick up the piece of paper under your chairs. You may now take your seat. Now that you are all settled, may you please ask your seatmate, kamusta ka? Our lesson for today is all about energy. Now class, I will ask any one of you about your knowledge of energy.
Maria, what is energy? Very good, Maria. How about you, John? What gives you to move? Very good, John. How about you, Janice? How do the light in the room turn on? Very good, Janice. Now, class, I will show you a short story video of different forms of energy. The story video titled Mr. Energy. Okay, class, I have here a game called Jumble Words from the story. Who wants to answer first? Yes, Karen. Very good, Karen. That is electrical energy. What about the number 2? Yes, Marjorie. Very good, Marjorie. That is heat energy. What about the number 3? Yes, Jerry. Very good, Jerry. That is mechanical energy.
What about the number 4? Yes, Athena. Very good, Athena. It is sound energy. What about number 5? Yes, Angel. Very good, Angel. That is chemical energy. Last, number 6. Yes, Angelica. Very good, Angelica. That is light energy.
Great job, class. Now, class, let's proceed to our discussion. Light energy is the term of energy that enables us to see. The main source of light energy on Earth is the sun. Light energy is used in camera to capture image. It is also used in traffic lights to help to control the flow of traffic. Understand, class? Now, let's proceed to heat energy. Heat energy is a form of energy that results the movement of tiny particles called atoms, molecules, and etc. The ultimate source of heat for Earth is from the sun. Other sources of heat energy are burning cut of woods, a hot of coffee, and a conventional oven. Heat energy is necessary for the extent of life on Earth. It is essential form of energy on our day-to-day. Understand, class? Now, let's proceed to sound energy. Sound energy is a form of energy travels in waves. It is produced when a materials vibrate rapidly. It is the energy that we can hear. It is used in many industries such as like medical fields, like in performing ultrasound treatment. It is also used in exploring minerals and petroleum oil. Understand, class? Now, Let's proceed to electrical energy. Electrical energy is a form of energy that comes from the flow of electrical power. It can be generated by dry cell or a battery. Generator, wind turbine, solar cell, hydroponic plant, geometrical plant, and even animal dropping. Other example of using electrical energy is light bulb and electronics devices. Understand, class? Now, let's proceed to mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is a combination of energy from motion and position. For example, a moving ball can have energy from motion. Machine use mechanical energy to do work. Also, animals use mechanical energy to do work, as the bird fly and fish swim. Human also use mechanical energy to do work like playing basketball and riding bicycle.
Stand, class. Now, let's proceed to chemical energy. Chemical energy is a form of energy in all substance, which is stored in bonds of chemical compounds. Food is the most important source of chemical energy. Source at baking soda, vinegar, and batteries. Invented way to use chemical tends to power machine.
I hope you understand, class. Now, class, energy is the power or ability to do work. It comes in different forms, such as light, heat, sound, mechanical, electrical, and chemical energy. Energy comes from the different sources, just a natural resources like the sun, wind, and water, or it can be generated from man-made objects like machines and batteries. It is important to use and conserve energy wisely. Understand, class? Do you know now the different forms of energy? Great job, class!
Now, class, let's have an activity. Direction. Read each statement truly. Match column A and column B. Write your answer on your answer paper. Are all done, class? Good job, class. Here an activity. Direction. Analyze the situation carefully. Write the kind of energy that match description. Answer on your paper.
Are all everyone done? Do you really understand our lesson? Everybody stand up for our closing prayer. Amen. Goodbye, class, and see you tomorrow.